Did you know that what you eat could be making you look older? It's true. Some everyday foods quietly speed up skin aging. Sugar and processed carbs can stiffen your collagen and deepen wrinkles. Even healthy cereals and sauces might be hiding skin-damaging ingredients. But don't worry, small changes can make a big difference. Let's uncover the culprits and explore delicious alternatives for radiant, youthful skin. Your plate could be your best anti-aging tool. It's true. Some of your favorite foods might be secretly adding years to your face. But don't worry, today we're going to uncover these culprits and I'll give you some delicious alternatives to keep your skin looking radiant and youthful. So, what's the biggest enemy of youthful skin? It's often sugar and highly processed carbohydrates. I know. Who doesn't love a sweet treat or a warm piece of bread? But here's the deal. When you eat too much sugar, it triggers a process called glycation. Think of it like this. Sugar molecules attach themselves to proteins in your skin, like collagen and elastin. These are the very proteins that keep your skin firm and bouncy. When glycation happens, it creates harmful molecules called advanced glycation end products, or AGIs for short, and that name is pretty fitting, because AGEs make your collagen and elastin stiff and brittle, leading to fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging. So, what foods are we talking about? The obvious ones are sugary drinks, like sodas and sweetened juices, candies, pastries, and desserts. But sugar hides in many places you might not expect, like ketchup, salad dressings, and even so-called healthy cereals. The same goes for refined carbs, things like white bread, white rice, and pasta. Your body breaks these down into sugar very quickly, causing that same spike in blood sugar and kicking off the glycation process. Imagine every time you eat a donut, you're essentially caramelizing your skin fibers. Not a pretty picture, right? But it's not just about wrinkles. High sugar diets can also trigger inflammation throughout your body, which can show up on your skin as acne, redness, and puff. It can also disrupt your gut health, and a happy gut is directly linked to clear, glowing skin. So, what can you do? Start by reading labels. You'll be shocked at how much added sugar is lurking in everyday foods. Try to cut back on those sugary drinks. Water infused with fruit is a fantastic, refreshing alternative. Instead of white bread, opt for whole grain versions that are packed with fiber. Fiber helps to slow down sugar absorption, preventing those sharp blood sugar spikes. Next on our list are processed meats. I'm talking about things like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. While they might be convenient, they're often loaded with sodium, sulfites, and other preservatives. All that salt can cause your body to retain water, which can lead to that puffy, bloated look, especially around your eyes. The preservatives can also trigger inflammation and put stress on your skin. A study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology even found a link between processed meat consumption and inflammatory skin conditions. Instead of a bacon sandwich, how about some freshly roasted chicken or turkey? Or try plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas. They are fantastic for building collagen and are full of skin-loving nutrients. Let's move on to another culprit. Fried foods. French fries, fried chicken, onion rings. They might taste incredible, but they're not doing your skin any favors. When oils are heated to high temperatures, they can release free radicals. These are unstable molecules that damage your skin cells, a process called oxidative stress. This accelerates aging, breaks down collagen, and can leave your skin looking dull and tired. Plus, many fried foods are also high in trans fats, which are known to increase inflammation in the body. So, next time you're craving something crispy, try baking or air frying instead. You can get a similar texture with a fraction of the oil. Sweet potato fries, baked with a little bit of olive oil and paprika, are one of my personal favorites. Now, let's talk about dairy. This one is a bit more personal, as not everyone reacts to dairy in the same way. For some people, dairy can be a source of inflammation. Some research suggests that certain hormones in milk can overstimulate oil glands and clog pores, leading to acne breakouts. If you notice that your skin gets worse after having milk, cheese, or yogurt, it might be worth trying to cut back and see if it makes a difference. There are so many great dairy-free alternatives available now, like almond, oat, and soy milk, so you won't feel like you're missing out. And what about alcohol? A glass of wine might feel relaxing, but alcohol is it acts as a diuretic, meaning it makes you lose more water than you take in. Dehydrated skin quickly looks dull, and fine lines and wrinkles become much more obvious. Alcohol can also deplete your body of essential vitamins, especially vitamin A, which is crucial for cell turnover and keeping your skin firm. It can also cause flushing and broken capillaries, especially for those with conditions like rosacea. I'm not saying you can never have a drink, but moderation is key. And for every alcoholic beverage you have, make sure to drink a glass of water to stay hydrated. So, we've talked a lot about what to avoid. Let's flip the script and focus on what you should be eating for amazing skin. The answer is simple. Eat the rainbow. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. Berries, for example, are packed with antioxidants that fight those damage-causing free radicals. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in vitamin C, which is a powerhouse for collagen production. Healthy fats are also your skin's best friend. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. These are full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredibly anti-inflammatory and help to keep your skin's barrier strong and hydrated. Remember, you're not just feeding your body, you're feeding your skin. Another fantastic food for your skin is tomatoes. They contain a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which has been shown to protect the skin from sun damage. Cooking tomatoes actually increases the amount of available lycopene, so a healthy homemade pasta sauce can be a great. Green tea is another superstar. It's packed with catechins, which are antioxidants that can help protect your skin and improve its hydration and elasticity. Let's recap quickly. We're trying to limit sugary foods and refined carbs that cause glycation. We're swapping out processed meats for lean or plant-based proteins. We're baking instead of frying to avoid free radicals, and we're being mindful of our dairy and alcohol intake to reduce inflammation and dehydration. Instead, we're loading up on antioxidant-rich fruits and veggies, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Making these changes might seem daunting at first, but you don't have to do it all at once. Start small. Maybe this week, you swap your afternoon soda for a glass of infused water. Next week, you could try baking your potatoes instead of frying them. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. Every healthy choice you make is a step towards healthier, more vibrant skin. Your skin is a reflection of your overall health. And by nourishing your body from the inside out, you'll not only look younger, but you'll feel better too. It's a journey, but one that is absolutely worth it. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And do you want to forget to subscribe for more tips on how to look and feel your best? Making small changes in your diet can have a big impact on your skin and energy. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every healthier choice you make is a step toward feeling younger and stronger. Your skin is a reflection of how you nourish your body from the inside out. Stay consistent, and you'll notice the difference in just a few weeks. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Healthy living should feel good. Let me know in the comments below which food you're going to try cutting back on first. See you in the next video.